How to remove malware from iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and tap on the floating Assistive Touch button to open its menu. Here, select Device, and then tap on More. After that, tap on Restart and again tap on Restart to confirm the action. Now, open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on General. Inside the General settings, go to Software Update. Ensure your iOS is up to date. Go back to the General settings, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then, select Erase all content and settings and tap on Continue as shown. Next, go back to the main settings page, scroll down and tap on Apps. Once you're here, scroll down through the list of installed applications until you find Safari, and then tap on it. Scroll down until you find the History and Website Data section and tap on the Clear History and Website Data option. Here, select All History and toggle on Close All tabs, then tap on Clear History to remove potentially malicious site data. Following these steps, you can easily remove malware from an iPhone.